Hello everyone. Welcome to this video. My name is Jessica. Today, I will talk about my daily routine. You will learn English in an easy way. Listen carefully. Repeat after me if you can. Let's start. My name is Jessica. I am a young woman. I am an English learner and also an English teacher on YouTube. Today, I will tell you about my daily life. I will use simple English. You can understand it. You can follow it. Every day, I wake up in the morning. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. When I wake up, I feel a little tired but happy to start my day. I stretch my arms. I open my eyes. I smile. I say, "Good morning, new day." Then I get out of bed. I make my bed. I like a clean room. A clean room makes me feel good. After that, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. I say, "I am ready for today." Sometimes I take a shower in the morning. The water is warm. It makes me feel fresh and awake. Then I brush my hair. I get dressed. I choose simple clothes that are comfortable. Next, I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. Breakfast is my first meal of the day. I usually eat bread, eggs, or fruit. Sometimes I eat cereal with milk. I like to drink tea or coffee in the morning. While I eat breakfast, I think about my day. I plan my work. I plan my lessons. I plan my videos for YouTube. After breakfast, I start my work. I am an English teacher online. I teach beginner English. I help people learn simple English for daily life. I really like teaching. Teaching makes me happy. I like when students learn new words. I like when students say, "I understand." I turn on my computer. I open my notebook. I prepare my lesson. I read my notes. I think, how can I help my students today? Sometimes I record videos for YouTube. I speak slowly. I use easy words. I smile and talk to the camera. I say, "Hello, my friends. Welcome to my channel." I want English to be simple. I want English to be fun. Later in the day, I study too. I read English books. I watch English videos. I practice speaking. I write new words in a notebook. Learning is important. Teachers also learn every day. At around 1 p.m., I have lunch. Lunch is my second meal. I usually eat rice, pasta, or salad. Sometimes I eat soup. I drink water or juice. After lunch, I relax a little. I rest my eyes. I sit quietly. In the afternoon, I continue my work. I reply to messages from students. I read comments on my videos. I say thank you to my viewers. I think of new ideas for English lessons. Sometimes I go outside. I take a short walk. I look at trees. I look at the sky. Fresh air helps me feel calm. In the evening, I spend time with my family and friends. I talk with them. We share stories about our day. We laugh together. Family is important to me. Sometimes I cook dinner. Dinner is my last meal of the day. After dinner, I relax. I watch a movie. I listen to music. I read a book. At night, I prepare for sleep. I change into pajamas. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. I turn off my phone or put it away. I like quiet time at night. Before I sleep, I think about my day. I say, thank you for this day. I feel grateful. Then I go to bed. I close my eyes. I sleep at around 10:30 p.m. Sleep gives me energy for tomorrow. Now, let's review some daily routine words together. Repeat after me. Wake up. Get up. Make the bed. Brush my teeth. Wash my face. Take a shower. Get dressed. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Study. Teach. Have lunch. Walk. Relax. Cook dinner. Talk with family. Read. Sleep. Very good. Now I will say my full daily routine again, slowly. You can listen. You can repeat if you want. I wake up at 6:30. I get up and make my bed. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I go to the kitchen and eat breakfast. I drink tea or coffee. Then I start my work. I teach English online. I make YouTube videos. I study English too. At 1 o'clock, I eat lunch. In the afternoon, I work and walk outside. In the evening, I spend time with my family. At night, I relax, read, and then go to sleep. This is my daily routine. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for learning with me. My name is Jessica. I am happy to help you learn English. Practice every day. You will get better. Please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Comment your daily routine in simple English. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.